Hi everyone. Let us start with Algebra exercise 3.3 and question number 1 today. Check whether p of x is a multiple of g of x. Multiple of g of x. So what does this mean? Multiple means, if suppose 6, you take it as 6. 6 is a multiple of 2, which means 2 should exactly divide the 6. We can say like this. If you divide 6 by 2, then you should get the remainder as 0. So now you can say this 6 is a multiple of 2. So what does that mean is that multiple should exactly divide this number and should leave a remainder 0. So in our given question, g of x is x minus 2 and this is our multiple. So if you multiply something with this, you will get your p of x. So which means this g of x should divide this p of x and leave a remainder 0. So as per the remainder theorem, if x of 2 is dividing this number and you are getting a remainder 0, we can put like x minus 2 is equal to 0, which you get x is equal to 2, which is your g of x. Now if you put this x is equal to 2 in your p of x, then you should get a 0. Okay, so let us start our solution. So what we have got is g of x. So g of x should exactly divide this p of x. So first of all, let us take this g of x and equate it to 0. So if you equate it to 0, g of x means x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again, you have to get the value of x. X is equal to 2. So as per the remainder theorem, if you put p of this x, which means p of 2 should be equal to 0, then you can decide this g of x is a multiple of p of x. Let's check whether you are getting this situation. So our p of x will be equal to x cubed minus 5 x square plus 4 x minus 3. This is given. So what we are going to check is whether 2 is a factor here. So let us check 2 and this will be 2 cube minus 5 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 3. And then 2 cube is nothing but 8 plus minus and 5 into 2 square is 4. So 5 fours are 20 plus 4 twos are 8 minus 3. So now what we get here is you can either club these two together positive signs. So that will be a 16 minus 23. So now this will be a 7. So you have got p of 2 is equal to 7. But p of 2 is equal to 7 means this x minus 2 is not dividing your fraction. It is not leaving a remainder 0. So this means which is not equal to 0. A p of x is not a multiple. It's not, okay. It's not a multiple of g of x. Which means g of x is not dividing the p of x and leaving a remainder 0. So you have arrived at your answer. P of x is not a multiple of g of x. So first of all, let us see the question carefully. P of x is a multiple of g of x means if you take 6, 6 is a multiple of 2 means 2 is exactly dividing 6 and then leaving a remainder 0. So we know as per the remainder 0, if you put any number over here, then if you get the answer as 0, then only it is the multiple. Suppose p of 3 gives 0, then x minus 3 is a factor of this 1. But here when they have given g of x as x minus 2. So x minus 2, if you equate to 0, x is equal to 2. We put x is equal to 0, you are not getting a 0. So this is not a multiple. Okay, thank you.